Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to secure your Shiba Inu tokens by moving them from an exchange like Bitmart to a hardware wallet like Tangem. This is a smart move for better security and control over your assets. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it with confidence and ease. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need a verified Bitmart account with some SHIB tokens in it, and your Tangem wallet should be set up and ready to receive funds. Also, double-check that you're on a secure internet connection to avoid any risks. Okay, let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Bitmart website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, find your Shiba Inu tokens. Look for the SHIB symbol. Step 2. Select the Withdraw option. Click on SHIB and then choose Withdraw or Send. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the destination details. Now, Step 3. Enter your Tangem wallet address. This is crucial. Copy the address directly from your Tangem wallet app or device to avoid any typos. Make sure to select the correct network, like Ethereum, since SHIB is an ERC20 token. Step 4. Specify the amount. Decide how much SHIB you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any withdrawal fees. Bitmart might charge a small fee, so check that in advance. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify with two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you're waiting, here's a quick tip. Always verify transaction details on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure everything went through smoothly. And remember, never share your wallet's private keys or seed phrases. Once it's done, you'll see your SHIB safely in your Tangem wallet. That's it for this guide. You've just taken a big step toward securing your crypto. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.